Notion versus Coda. Which is better? Links to the products mentioned in this video are added in the description. Today, we're comparing Notion and Coda, two of the most talked about all-in-one productivity tools, so you can decide which one actually fits your workflow without confusion or wasted time. Both are flexible, both let you build custom tools for your team, and both replace a patchwork of apps, but they approach that goal very differently, and that difference determines which one is better for you. Notion is built around a unified block-based workspace that feels like a flexible digital notebook on steroids. You create pages, then fill them with text, databases, to-dos, embeds, code, calendars, and more, all from a consistent visual canvas. Notion's biggest strength is ease of use. You can drag, drop, nest, and link pages together intuitively. Its databases are simple but powerful, great for task lists, simple CRM, wiki content, meeting notes, and knowledge bases. Notion shines with teams that want a single organized hub for documentation and lightweight project tracking without steep setup requirements. The clarity of a shared workspace is why startups, freelancers, and content teams love it. However, Notion's automation is limited out of the box. You'll often rely on third-party tools like Zapier or Make to connect it with other systems, and its formula language is expressive but less powerful than a full programming surface. Coda, on the other hand, is designed more like a software platform disguised as a document. It has pages and tables like Notion, but Coda's building blocks, called packs and powerful formulas, let you create interactive tools that behave like apps. Want a table that automates complex calculations, integrates live with Slack or GitHub, or generates dynamic dashboards with buttons and controls? Coda can do that without code. Its automation and logic capabilities are more advanced than Notion's, meaning you can build internal tools, reporting systems, and workflows that adapt and react based on user input. For teams that use documents as apps, Coda provides far more depth. The trade-off is complexity. There's a steeper learning curve and more architecture involved in designing advanced docs. So who should pick what? If you want a simple, unified workspace for notes, docs, basic tasks, and lightweight databases, with a beautiful interface and low overhead, Notion is likely better. If you want documents that behave like mini-apps with automation, powerful formulas, and deeper integrations, and you're comfortable spending a bit more time building your workflows, then Coda is the stronger choice. In summary, Notion is better for documentation, team organization, and simple workflows. Coda is better for complex business logic and interactive workspaces. Both are excellent, but the right choice depends on how much structure and automation you need.